Merry Christmas! All cats are dressed up. They're enjoying it immensely. Look at them. Stella and Gizmo. Okay, she's comforting Gizmo. Are you comforting Gizmo? Gizmo? Stella, you look very, very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Santa's
Gizmo?
here.
Who's that? Another cat. The sun.
Is it Santa?
Yeah.
It's Santa!
Buddy, handsome as ever. Look at you. Stylish. Don't, oh, Gizmo? I don't think, is that all the cats?
Well, Chucky's in the bedroom. Janice is over here.
Janice. So pretty.
Hi, Santa.
Is that because I'm fat?
No.
That's because you got gifts in your hand. Chucky's not happy. I turned my back to you. Hey? Yeah, let's take this off. Okay, I take it off.